Hi everyone. Today we are discussing a word in question which is related to exponential function. Qt equals to Q naught e to the power kt. Q naught given 10,000 t time, k is constant, e base of natural logarithm. Part A: how many bacteria will there be in culture after 4 hours? Q4 is questionable. We know that Q2 equal to 60,000. Q2 equals to Q naught e to the power 2k. Q naught 10,000, 60,000 equals to 10,000 into e to the power 2k. This and 6 equals to e to the power 2k. Having ln value of both sides, ln6 equals to ln to the power 2k. ln6 equal to 2k into ln e. We know that ln e equals to 1. So ln6 equals to 2k. K equals to ln6 divided by 2. Answer is 0.8959. Now we can find Q4 easily. Q naught to the power kt. Q4 equals to 10,000 times e to the power 0.8959 into 4. Q4 equals to 10,000 times 2.71, sorry, e to the power 0.8959 into 4. We have answer as Q4 equals to approximately. Try with the calculator, you will have the answer approximately this one. Part B: rate of growth of bacteria after 4 hours. Rate of growth given as Q dash T equals to K times Q T. Q dash T equals to 0.8959 into Qt is our answer. The 0 Qt Q dash T equals to the rate of growth of bacteria after 4 hours is given approximately Q dash T equals this is the answer. So thank you for watching for my video and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.